Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing the gap attacker's exploit. Update your browser and enable automatic patches now. Install reputable antivirus with real-time scanning so downloads and scripts are checked as you browse. Turn on a password manager to generate and autofill strong passwords. Make sure it's synced to your devices. Once done, enable browser privacy settings like blocking third-party cookies and pop-up blocking. These steps reduce exposure immediately while you proceed to deeper protections. Next, harden the browsing session. Force HTTPS for all sites and check the padlock before submitting data. Enable multi-factor authentication on email, banking, and cloud accounts so stolen passwords aren't enough. Audit and limit extensions. Keep only those you trust and reinstall from official stores. Run suspicious downloads in a sandbox or virtual machine to contain threats. Also verify site legitimacy by hovering links and checking domain names carefully. Small typos often signal phishing. Trust visual checks plus tools. To finish, set a routine. Clear cookies and cache regularly, review site permissions, and update saved passwords every few months. Backup critical data and store recovery codes offline so you can regain accounts quickly. If something goes wrong, disconnect from the network immediately, change passwords from a clean device, and run a thorough antivirus scan or rescue media before reconnecting. If you can't access accounts, use recovery workflows and contact providers. A single recovery plan saves days of damage control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.